Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make simple meat beef spaghetti that tastes like it came from a 5-star restaurant. So grab a apron and let's get started. Our spaghetti is ready and it tastes so delicious. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now, available now in the UK and will deliver worldwide.